Welcome back again to this channel. Today's story no good though. It no clear at all. It is very disturbing. Could you imagine a young lady serving her fatherland under the NYSC scheme suddenly dragged out, beaten up, stripped, and humiliated in front of the world? The people behind it, not criminals on street but men wearing badge of security. For me, this is not just another viral video. This is a scandal shaking Anambra, sparking anger and raising a painful truth when those meant to protect us turn into abusers. So, who is really safe? What is the story? On July 23rd, 2005 in Oba, Idemili South in Anambra State, armed operatives of Operation Udogachi, also known as the Agony Chambers Group or whatever they call themselves, invaded an NYSC lodge, accusing occupants of internet fraud. Could you imagine? Despite their valid NYSC IDs being presented to them, in a disturbing video, a female corps member identified as Edema Jennifer Aloho was mercilessly beaten, stripped, and left bleeding to some extent. She was also subjected to some sort of degrading threats and sexual humiliation. Then, from the NYSC management, they swiftly condemned the assault as unwarranted and unacceptable, pledging to pursue justice and urging host communities and authorities to ensure corps members' safety. Lawmakers, especially Senator Ede, cried the act as barbaric, inhumane, and a disgrace to national service.
To the police, you can't dehumanize those you are supposed to protect. You can't maltreat those you are supposed to protect. It goes to show in clear terms, because I have said it time and time again, that these people are not trained. You don't take guns and hand over to irresponsible people and ask them to descend on the citizen and deal with them. It is sad and unacceptable. They should be disbanded and trained and properly prepared to be a security outfit. Get them properly educated. Get them properly indoctrinated into the principles.
Demanding arrest and prosecution of the perpetrators, the Anambra State Police labeled the video very, very wrong, assuring the public that justice would be enforced once the victims cooperate with the investigation, though they revealed that progress has been delayed due to her unavailability. Governor Chukwuma Soludo's administration took decisive action. 8 vigilante operatives were sacked, medical bills and damaged phones were fully compensated, and the formal apologies were actually extended to Jennifer and the NYSC. These dismissed officers were paraded publicly and handed over to the police for prosecution. Soludo's government insisted such brutality must be met with accountability, not hush up. Meanwhile, Soludo's wife, Dr. Nonye Soludo, personally reached out with an invitation to Jennifer to visit Government House and Olive Branch to offer support and solidarity. Jennifer has expressed willingness to engage once she returns to Anambra. Then the police investigation continues, with statement reaffirming that assault, regardless of who commits it, is a criminal offense and vigilance group must not override human rights. Reaction from Nigerians: no matter her offense, she doesn't deserve this treatment. Brutality is not a law enforcement, it is barbarism. If they can do this to female corps members, imagine what happens to ordinary citizens. To me, what happened was inexcusable. Regardless of any allegation, no civilian, especially a serving corps member, a woman, a female serving corps member, is, deserving of such public humiliation and physical assault. Government should sit up and make sure this doesn't die as a police case. Well, I wouldn't say, because Governor Soludo's administration did well to act swiftly, sacking and compensating and even inviting Jennifer for dialogue. But official apologies alone aren't enough. Criminal charges and full transparency are critical to deter future brutality. Professionally, these operatives not only betrayed their mandate, they betrayed trust, they betrayed Anambra, they betrayed Soludo. They should face legal consequences, reinforcing the principle that security agents must protect, not terrorize. The reaction online reflects a collective yearning for justice and humanity. Nigerians are watching, demanding that such abuse becomes an exception not a normalized fear. On our takeaway, this should be a wake-up call. Community security must be anchored in rights and respect, and in cases like this, justice must be more than symbolic. It must be real and fast-forwarding. So, this is really disappointing. Where do we go from here? This is not just Jennifer's story. It is a wake-up call for Nigeria. We can't keep letting security operatives to act like they are above the law. Imagine what ordinary security operatives is doing, ordinary vigilante groups. What would you say when you see policemen acting on their own? Governor Soludo, the ball is in your court. These are people you gave gun to. Prosecute them. Prosecute these men. Reform the Agony Chamber or whatever it is called, and show Nigerians that Anambra values its people. This person we're talking about here probably must have come from elsewhere. I mean, these are people serving the nation. To Jennifer, we see you, we hear you, and we are fighting for you. To the viewers, let's keep this story alive. Share this video and tag your leaders and demand justice. Let's make sure no one else has to endure what Jennifer did. So my audience, what do you think? Was sacking them enough? Or should prosecution be the real answer here? Because from what I'm saying, there might be manipulation over there. But one thing is very sure. If we allow brutality to go unchecked, tomorrow it could be in your force or someone we love. Justice delayed is justice denied. Nigerians are watching closely. Remember, this didn't just happen today or yesterday or even this month at all. It happened on July 23rd. That was last month. So let's push for justice. NYSC members deserve protection. So this is really frustrating. If we believe our NYSC members deserve protection, not humiliation, drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because stories like this need to be heard until real change happens. This is not just about one girl. It's about the kind of country we all want to live in. Stay safe, stay away, and I will catch you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.